You launched your company website, and you invested a lot of money to create it. But did you know that close to 95% of the websites on the internet are not optimized for search engines like Google, Yahoo, and Bing? An optimized website tells the search engine what your company, product, and service is all about. So when your customers are searching for you online, the search engines can rank you higher with greater authority. Is your website optimized? To find out how, enter your email to get a complimentary guide giving you the 12 top SEO tips for optimizing your website. Just go to the right and enter your email address, and we will send you your complimentary guide immediately. You have invested so much into your website, make sure Google, Yahoo, and Bing can find it quickly.